Speed ramping is a technique commonly used in videos to make footage gradually change speed. For example, if we were to make a regular clip break into slow motion for a brief moment, a regular slow motion effect would only slow down that one specific part of the footage at a constant rate. However, if a slow motion effect were created using a speed ramp, the motion in the clip would gradually slow down before gradually speeding back up. Before the Peter McKinnon and Sam Kolder era of YouTube, I remember speed ramps first became popular about 10 years ago in skateboarding videos. Speed ramping was used to create what everybody called a ramped slow-mo effect to isolate and draw attention to the intricacies of a difficult trick being performed by a skater. More notably, a lot of us might recall the ramped slow-mo sound of a skateboard hitting a grind on a handrail. Ultimately, this sound along with the ramp slow-mo effect became an iconic and standard component of pretty much every skate video. But it wasn't actually until many years later when speed ramping became mainstream. With the rise in popularity of travel films and YouTube filmmaking, speed ramping quickly became a staple in a lot of our filmmaking toolkits. Nowadays, we see speed ramps being used in a ton of different ways, but the three we see the most are the speed up, the ramped slow-mo, and the speed ramp transition. Speed-ups are used to bridge the gap between two important parts of the same clip, often seen in one-take style shots. The ramp slow-mo, much like in skate videos, is used to draw attention to a specific part of a clip, usually to create tension and dramatic effect. Lastly, the speed ramp transition is used to mask the cut between the end of one clip and the start of another. Similar to a whip-pan transition, a speed ramp can be used to create motion blur between two clips. So a question that I get all of the time as of late is, how do I speed ramp in my videos? Well, if I'm going to use speed ramping to create a speed up effect, I'll choose a point in the clip where I want the motion to begin moving faster, I'll hold shift and click B on my keyboard, and I'll repeat the step on the part of the clip where I want the motion to slow back down to its original speed. I'll change the speed of the section we just created to 20 times, and Final Cut will automatically create a seamless ramped speed up effect. If I like, I can go ahead and make the beginning and end points of the clip slow motion to make the change in speed more dramatic. Now similarly, if I want to create a ramped slow motion effect, I'll repeat the exact same steps as the speed up effect, but this time I will slow down the motion rather than making it faster. So what about speed ramp transitions? If we apply the same concepts that we just learned, it's actually really easy. At the end of the important portion of our first clip, I will hit Shift B, and I will also click Shift B again at the beginning of the important part of our next clip. Now I will speed up both the end of the last clip and the beginning of the next one, make some minor adjustments, and what we are left with is a seamless, perfect speed ramp transition. So who is speed ramping for? Well, the answer is really anybody who makes videos. This effect is definitely not limited to skateboarding or travel videos. I like to use it in a lot of my B-roll, but you can also use it for fashion videos, music videos, tech reviews, and even cooking videos. If you haven't already, give speed ramping a try. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, then make sure you hit it with a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.